I'm about to wake this cat right now, watch. Fucker sleeping on my ship. Alright. Stay there.
¿Qué vas a sacar sacando fotos? Oh my boy.
Wake him up, mom.
So we have no explanation for what that is. Alright, the South Redon. Wow, look at all these old cannons. And this is also one of the stories of the headless ghost that roams these grounds. We did a quick little EVP session in here. Haley and I did the flashlight tactic. We set it up next to a K2, next to a digital recorder in the South Readout. My name is Brent, this is my friend Haley. We brought some equipment with us that allows us to communicate with you. Are you the soldier that everybody sees walking around the buildings and the grounds?
Ah!
And the gymnast, please turn on the light.
Yeah, I turned it on.
No.
Okay, now you're gonna get.
Questions about the claims from the client. If you're a French soldier stationed at this fort, shut that back down.
Huh?
¿Este que iba a correr? No, casi corre ese güey.
Look, I woke him up. I woke your ass up, punk.